If your Rheem water heater is only giving lukewarm water or running out of hot water much faster than usual, the issue could be a worn-out dip tube. The dip tube is a long plastic pipe inside the tank that pushes incoming cold water down to the bottom so it can be heated properly. When it cracks or breaks, cold water mixes at the top of the tank with the hot water, reducing temperature and overall supply. A major warning sign is finding tiny white plastic bits in faucet aerators or shower heads. This problem was especially common in units made during the mid 1990s, but it can happen in newer heaters too. Before replacing it, turn off power at the breaker for electric models or shut off the gas for gas units. Close the cold water supply valve and drain a few gallons from the tank. Disconnect the cold water inlet line at the top, then use a wrench to remove the old dip tube by turning it counterclockwise. Compare the new tube to the old one, and trim if necessary so it stops a few inches above the bottom of the tank. Wrap plumber's tape around the threads, reinstall, reconnect the supply line, and slowly refill the tank while keeping a hot faucet open to release trapped air. Once full, restore power or gas and check for leaks.